Use the Premiumfol marker to mark the bottom plate of the roof gland onto a loose piece of EPDM. Ensure at least 15 cm space around the bottom plate for sufficient clearance. Use a spring rule to draw a 10 cm larger circle around the existing marking. That gives you enough clearance for optimal adhesion. Use EPDM scissors to cut out the sleeve. Follow the marking of the largest circle. Use a spring rule to mark 2 cm on the inside of the sleeve. Measure the diameter of the roof gland. Take 1/3 of this measurement and mark it on the EPDM sleeve. Cut the marked circle in a neat round shape out of the sleeve to prevent splitting. Place the sleeve onto the roof gland. Mark the edge of the sleeve onto the roof cladding. Then remove the sleeve from the roof gland. Apply Premiumfol bonding adhesive to the roof gland and the roof cladding. This ready-to-use contact glue can be applied very accurately using a brush. Also apply contact glue to the bottom of the EPDM sleeve. Stay within the marking of 2 cm. Allow the contact glue to tack dry. Use leftover pieces of EPDM to prevent the contact glue from bonding directly together. Remove the leftover pieces of EPDM one by one and tightly press the EPDM sleeve with the silicone pressure roller. Seal the final 2 cm with Premiumfol EPDM adhesive and sealant for a waterproof result. Tightly press the edge of the EPDM sleeve. Remove the excess sealant to ensure a tight finish. Check out www.premiumfol.com for the full range and points of sale.